Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get making a vinegar and baking soda powered rocket. All you will need is some vinegar, baking soda, and a tissue, a bottle. Some kids cannot find this, like these snapping ones. So you can also, So you tell them you can also use my idea, snapping it inside the bottle like that, and so you put the cap on top of it. Just make sure when you snap on it, it's really tight. Until you put the reaction inside, it will blast off. See? Now we just need the vinegar inside the bottle. I want to put a tissue inside the bottle, but not the whole thing. Alright, I think that's good. Now, let's get the funnel. Like that. Okay. Now put some baking soda over here. Lay down some inside. That we're going to put the cap on. We do the same thing for the bigger bottle. We just need to snap it. Actually, we need to twist it, but this time we can also snap it on. And now we'll flip it over. It's going to react with the baking soda. Now, let's launch a rocket. 3, 2, 1, go. I got my safety goggles and my rockets in here. Now, let's launch the small one first. Ready? I'm really scared when it blasts up really fast, like last video. I'm afraid. Other things working. Okay, now let's try a second one. Wow! Today we failed one, but at the end when we left, it fired. We failed and then success. But it's okay to fail because you fail every day when you try. Like and subscribe. Bye.